Bosh. Gonna leave that growing there at an angle there. Bosh. This thing at the top, we've got to take that off. We're gonna have to get a chair. Now, as you can see, up here, it's where there were so many apples on there. Imagine that, not being able to like withstand your own growth. Imagine if the head grew too big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it here. We can really try and sort this tree out now because I don't want to use this bit. I'm going to cut here. Don't do this while you're injured, quite dangerous. Now, as you can see, you're not meant to chop more than 1/3 of the tree off at a time. And I think I've just done that. And if it doesn't grow this year, it will the year after. Now we've got rid of the dead and broken branches. Now we can neaten it up a bit and get rid of all the crossed ones. All the ones that are facing outside the plot so people don't hit their heads on them. Let's get the wheelbarrow so we can collect all the sticks in them. Back in a moment. Oh yeah. There you go. That's what matters, isn't it? Honestly, if you want some mates, get down to your local allotment. I mean, who hands out free cabbages? So these are crossing. Now, the top one is facing in the direction of the path. So basically, if you look at my pear tree, you've got 3 big, like, break-off branches. That's kind of how it's meant to look. If you can see with the apple tree, it's absolutely butchered. It's an experiment, we'll see. I mean, if this is 20 years of growth for nothing. So we're going to keep this one. Okay, so about here. Take these ones underneath off. Yeah. We'll do it. We'll try a little experiment this time. We'll cut these off. Now hopefully it all comes here. As the season progresses, we can always prune it more. Right, so this is absolutely demolished. Get off. I've chopped so much off. Oh, I hope I haven't broke this tree. Nah, I ain't broken it. I actually might have. Just take that. Mate, I've destroyed that. Because look, the idea is, this is going to grow beautiful apple. This is going to grow beautiful apple. This is going to grow beautiful apples. Mental, mate, absolutely mental. I've never seen an apple tree like that. Don't know what I've done. Fill the pots with stuff what decays and then don't have to plant. Put as much compost in the soil. Look at that. I've never pruned it that much, ever. Can you just appreciate this beautiful morning at the allotment? While most people are in bed, we're here getting rays of sunshine. Most beautiful ground. That is unbelievable. I can't not see that now. Look at it. I've buggered it. Nah. The thing is, it's very important when you're at the allotment or in your garden or whatever you do it with confidence and you know that what you're doing is for the right reason. Seen that tree? That is bad. I don't even know if I can leave it like that. Right, what next? This is what started this. This thing here made me want to prune it. And now look at it.